Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Saturday, 5th of March. And guys, my prediction it got hit just right on the money. Okay, I've been telling you 3 days ago that Bitcoin potentially has reached the end of the tunnel, and you really have to cross this resistance. People are saying that this is a big W and it's gonna go to the upside, but you are being restricted, and that's something that I actually told you to pay attention to. Now, Bitcoin has retraced to the place where I was expecting it to retrace. The question is, are you gonna go further more down or not? And let's talk about this one now. I did draw this some sort of an ascending triangle back 5 days before telling you that potentially you might form an ascending triangle and get coiled up in ascending triangle until you don't break out a back test, and then you continue to the upside to the 50,000 plus region. All right, guys. So there is something that I want to talk about, and that is the ethics of candlesticks reading. There are some rule to candlesticks, and I'm gonna tell you this one in a minute. Let's go into the auto draw for this purpose. And right here, right now, a lot of people are saying that Bitcoin has three black crows and it's gonna go even more down. Now, this red candle, second, the third red candle are known as three black crows, and they are actually bearish pattern. Now, if you do talk about the candlestick pattern themselves, they're bearish, and it means it's gonna continue to the downside. But there's a big but in here, in between, in this place. The the ruling of candlestick that many people don't understand is that you have to match candlesticks with support and resistance. Now I'm gonna tell you, if you do have a support right here and you make a morning star, sorry, if you do have resistance, not support, and the market is going up like this, and then you make one candle which is a green candle, this is a red candle, sorry, doji in the middle, and then you make one green candle like this one, whatever, this is a morning star, okay? But if you make it near the resistance line, then it's meaningless. This morning star can fail and go to the downside. Very similarly, if you do make something like you go down there, sorry, that was an, oh my goodness, what am I talking? Yeah, the morning star, sorry. And if you do come down here, potentially like this, down to the support, okay? Boom, 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 boom. And then you start to make even an evening star, whatever you want to say, which is a bearish pattern. Let's say you do make an evening star right here near the support, this one, and then this one. So if you do look at the evening star, it means it's going to go down. But the fact that you're making that one on the support level, it might not play out. This one can be cancelled out. Do you understand that? Now, same goes for the three black crows. Three black crows, one, two, and then the third one right here. But you're near the support, so this one might be cancelled out, and this might not play. Do you understand that? And the prices won't even go down, because nonetheless you have to keep in mind you do have a support. Yes, if you start to lose the support backtest, then this is gonna play out. All right, so that's the one rule that you have to keep in mind. And if you look at it, in my opinion, this one is gonna come down here, even though you have that bearish candlesticks, but due to this big support right here, because you have one touch here, one touch there, and one touch there, and then you come down here. So it might even go down, be a quick wick, and then boom to the upside, just like this wick that you had down here, okay, previously before. But right now it seems like Bitcoin is going to slow down here, and from the next week you start to slowly again push to the upside to go back to $44,000. And if I dive into the weekly, I noticed that you're potentially forming an inverted hammer. Now this is what you want to see. Over there on the daily, you saw three black crows. On the weekly candlestick, you're looking to a potential inverted hammer. And where is this inverted hammer happening? Near the support. So this is a bullish candlestick. It is happening near the support. So there's a possibility for this one to play out, and you're going to see the prices next week actually going back up. You understand that? Simple. What did you make here? That's a dragonfly doji. Where did you make it? Near the support. So basically, it seems like Bitcoin wouldn't be even interested to come down to 34,000 anytime soon because of this candlestick that you made. That's a bullish candlestick, by the way. And this is where you have to put your stop losses. If Bitcoin ever tries to come down to take 34,332, then potentially you're gonna fail and continue to the downside. Now, one more thing to actually notice is that you do have a morning star. This morning star has not been cancelled just yet because the morning star gets invalidated and abandoned if Bitcoin comes down to $32,900 and take that last point of the morning star, then it's cancelled. So right now, I don't think if you're thinking that, oh, 30,000 is coming in, it's a little bit early to say that one, okay? So this is going to be a very quick update. Let's see what it does, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.